Hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew here. I just thought I would share this video. First, it's going to be a few tutorials in one for people who use FL Studio to produce music, because I figure like the message behind my music is clear to me. Here's my website, by the way. It's complexitycrew.com. If you'd like to check it out, that'd be pretty cool. My like sort of driving force is hoping that I could help others achieve what was not very easy to achieve for me and such things. So if you want to learn how to make music and such things, I can help. Just let me know what topics you need to learn about and such things, like 808 kicks and tutorials and stuff. I'll make any of those type videos. As you can see, I've got embedded on some of the posts on my websites, like my discography of like albums I did, not just tracks. So like I have 7 albums out already, and I started this one about like 4 or 5 months ago or something like that. So here's the first of the tutorials for anyone interested. Yo, hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew. I'm just gonna show you how like when I was last night working on some music, I was mixing it, right? And I figure like it's better to like learn by seeing and how people do stuff, the process. And for this track right here, I did it in like, an hour or 2 or something. But there's some elements which need to be switched up. Like, yeah. So I'm definitely gonna sidechain harder the drums under to the kick, because the kick is hitting pretty hard. But at some parts of the song, hold up, the drums take over. Like, check it out. As you see, I got like, how many tracks filled with? Yeah, it's like automated, like 40 something tracks. So it takes time, man, patience, But if you like music, you'll do it for real. So let's let you guys hear how it sounds when I change the sidechaining better, and I'm also gonna EQ it better so that the bass hits better and the kick is not overpowering. So I'll let you listen. Yeah, I'll probably not start talking again till the video's done. So enjoy, everybody. So yeah, everybody, if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, hashtag Complexity Crew, and check out complexitycrew.com. Cause like on Christmas, I'm dropping a new album called Volume 7. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Bankroll, Complexity Crew. Bankroll with the X. I'm gonna show you how to use a granulizer in FL Studio to automate vocals. As you can see, it's pretty cool. I'll jump in only when I have to explain something. First, we're gonna automate them in the playlist. So you see the function of the wave spacing as well as granular spacing. So it creates a pretty cool wind up and anticipating sound, non-linear exponential sound of like yeah, it's pretty cool. We can automate it for many reasons, like risers or just like a hook for a song, or like if you're into EDM or house or something for like repetitive, but also something that you could switch up, so you can automate the parameters and allow it to be much more different than you could. There's more possibilities when you automate things with intention and such things. And the granular thing allows it for us basically to manipulate the waveform in some sly ways, which make it sound pretty cool. So enjoy, and I'll be back when I need to talk. So yeah, my bad for jumping in again. This part is important though. See how I'm going to right click and hit create automation clip? Yeah. Then I remove the attack, so the attack is 0, whereas before it was slower. So check it out. Just so everybody knows what I'm doing here, I'm changing the difference from, like, the two automation clips provide us two different, it's like putting in a nonlinear function in math, right? So you have the number of difference possibilities is multiplicative, and that's why I'm using another one. We'll just put any sample in it. I'll change the samples a few times just to demonstrate how granulizing works, like as a sampler or a, voice altering function, yeah? So check it out. With the time function, you can basically make the sample start later. So if there's a sweet spot in it, then that's what you gotta grab. Let's try it with this vocal here. I'm just letting you guys hear the difference in sound, the possibilities. Right here, I'm just EQing out and then I lifted the overall EQ too much, my bad. So then we lifted out the two high frequencies around 3200 hertz, and now added a flanger so that it sounds more like machine-like, you know. But I'll show you some more. I'll add distortion to make it hotter, like harder hitting. And then a pitcher to see what we can do with the formant of it. Or not the pitch thing, but the pitch, what's it called? Pitch slider or something like that? Something like that. Pitch shifter, yeah. So we're gonna add that and see the formant allows us to shift how the vowels sound. This part's kind of useful. The low formant below the 0 makes it sound more masculine. High formant adds like a female sounding. Now, just for the sake of showing you possibilities, I added a gate to it. Gate, like G-A-T-E. So it sounds like a trance spiral when I automate it back in. So now I'll make it like a EDM or house track or something, just basic with a basic kick. I'll make the kick so you guys can see. And yeah, the kicks are easy to make, but you should layer 2 kicks usually if you want decent enough like stereo imaging of the sounding of the kick, so it sounds good on club festival like stuff as well as just headphones. And I'm just making the envelope for the kick very small on the volume envelope, then it'll hit every 4 beats as you hear. Then I'm gonna make a clap pattern for the clap that's like sort of not just traditional one, but adding in like the sounds from dancehall style. So check it out. Now we're sidechaining the vocals under the kick, so you can hear how the kick dominates over the vocals. It sounds better that way in my estimation, but you could do what you'd like. So just to make it like more insightful of a tutorial or something you can use better, I'll show you another use. We'll add like another vocal sample to hit at the same time as a clap, so the clap is like layered with vocals. Check it out. Down, 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 down. Alright, so we're gonna automate the, like one of the LFO things here, the grain spacing on that down thing. Then we're gonna I'll add a bass just from 3 oscillators. I'll make a bass. As you hear, I got the key properly when I played first. It was a E, it's in E minor, this one. But as you hear the different waveforms, I'm just gonna use all sine ones, because otherwise it would sound kind of not cool. But like, I'm just showing you guys what it's like. Let's make the volume waveform right here, or envelope I mean. So it's just like a 808 but with a little bit of character. I'll take the sine wave out of there actually, and it's actually hitting on C, not E, so we have to switch that. But yeah, for like making melodies and stuff, I would recommend you guys just practice like harmony and melody creation, but that's not part of this video. If you want a tutorial on that, I could show you how I've made mine and stuff. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Check out complexitycrew.com for all the latest. You could get 7 albums there for my discography on there. So yeah, peace everybody.